Welcome to another Compassion Works for All video. This is one of our videos for kids, and as you are looking out the window with me, you are seeing the bird feeder is swinging around a little askew. Just a moment ago there were about 6 birds that were all fighting for the bird seed. I'm wondering if you have a bird feeder at your house and whether you enjoy watching the birds. They're an awful lot like people. Sometimes there's great big birds and they're all fighting each other for a spot at the bird feeder. And sometimes they're little birds and they will let one friend eat for a minute and they'll come up, and it's like they're having a very kind and gentle time together and very good to each other and sharing. Then one of the big birds, or even an aggressive little bird, may come along and scoot them all out of the way and just take over, kind of like a bully does in the world. And you wonder if birds in their own way have a little bit of competition and fear and happy feelings, all of the things that we feel. It's hard to live life amongst other people, and all the time we have challenges that bring about different emotions and fears, and as we grow we learn to recognize sometimes I'm feeling fear, sometimes I'm feeling sadness, sometimes I'm feeling anxious, sometimes I don't know how to handle bullies or my depression or sadness. But little by little, as we look inside of ourselves at whatever the fear or sadness or even the happiness might be, we learn to be still. We learn to recognize it. We learn to move forward little by little and not let the feelings control us. We do want to recognize that they're there so we don't run away and try to handle them in ways that actually cause us harm by acting them out, or for some people, behaving in ways that make things worse. Now, if you have a mom or a dad or good friends or a teacher that can talk to you about things, that's a very good thing to do. As soon as you notice that you're uncomfortable in your tummy or in your chest, or your head feels like it's full of butterflies and you can't concentrate, then it's time to find somebody who'll talk to you and let you talk out your life issues, your questions, your challenges, and your feelings. Little by little we learn, oh, this is sadness, or this is grief, or this is loss, or this is fear and anxiety, or this is joy, or this is happiness, or this is being deeply moved by something spiritual that awakens us. And as we see those feelings arise, we rest there, we feel them, and then we start to breathe into them and let them dissolve, let them be soothed, and let them go. Sometimes this takes a little while, and sometimes it helps to do music or art, write poetry, go for a walk or go for a run. All of these ways help us deal with our feelings. And talk to others as much as you can to learn what your feelings are all about. What gave you those feelings? And what are good solutions to the problem? And then how to act in a way that makes everything better. So we had a few folks, a few birds, wonder about this dangling bird feeder while we talked. Nobody stuck around very long because they can probably hear me talking. But they sure left it a mess. And sometimes when we're in a circle of friends and we're all clamoring to get what we want, we leave things a mess too. So we'll just let them come back when they're ready. So I hope you go through your life paying attention, looking at your feelings, considering what you do in situations that makes things better for you and for others. Thank you for watching our video, and we will see you again soon.